we are back again, and today we are doing a Rocksbox unboxing slash review. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's our package. I got this like 2 weeks ago and I was saving it for another video, but I can wait no longer. The other video is just gonna have to wait. I'm ready to get into this. So let's do it. Let's get in it. Okay. First of all, this is so cute. Look how cute. Cute, okay. Let's do it. I didn't even tell you guys what Rocksbox is. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna set this down. Rocksbox is like luxurious jewelry, rentals, name brand stuff. You basically order it, you get a monthly box. It's a subscription. You can pick if you want, I think. I don't know. But I just did a random box. I did my first box and it came really fast. It came in like a week. It came within 5 days of ordering it. And basically, if there's anything in here that you like, you keep it, you buy it. And if you don't like it, you send it back. Or you could just wear it and send it back when you're done. It's like renting it, I guess. So let's look what I got. You guys look first. It's a letter. Oh, you can't see none of it anyways. Okay. Hey, gorgeous. So it says, "Hi Alexis, welcome. We're so excited to have you as a new Rocksbox member. Blue Kyocera opal shines in this opal moon necklace that's ideal for layering. Topaz pave adds a warm glow, while the crystal pave adds a nice highlight to these tiny arrow studs from the Sophie Harper." Okay, so basically it told me what I got, and this little paper here tells you how much everything costs. So I got 3 things in my first box. It says enjoy it for as long as you like. Don't want it, don't want to part with something? Purchase it at rocksbox.com, blah blah blah, with your little name. Okay, so it looks like I got a bracelet, a necklace, and some earrings. And everything was $122. And oh, and this box only cost $21 a month. I paid $21 for my first box. Okay. More paper. Oh, this is just explaining it. So basically, you get your first box. If you like it, you buy it. If you don't, you send it back. It's easy and free returns. Easy peasy. Okay. How to care for your jewelry. That's needed because I never know. Now this is cute. We're gonna rip it open though. Okay. Mysterious. They all come in these little bags right here, okay? We're gonna open this one first because it's small. So I guess this is the earrings. Oh, no, this is the necklace. It's actually really pretty. This is the necklace. I'll show you guys a close-up. But here it is. It's a moon. This is pretty. We're gonna put it on. Maybe we'll put it on. After a bit of jewelry difficulties, we got the little moon on. I like it. It's cute. It's just so small. But on to the next. This is most definitely the earrings. I can feel the backs on it. So let's open them up. These are tiny. You guys, look how small. They're cute, but look how small. I don't even wear anything this small. Whatever. I'm just gonna add the close-up in right now. Okay, we are ready for the third bag. Time to open this bad boy up. This is the bracelet, and I'm kind of excited for it because I love beaded bracelets. Why is everything so small? Like I was saying, I'm excited for beaded bracelets. I'm upset that that was so small. It's not bad, I guess. Maybe if it came with more than just one, like I could layer this. We'll see. It comes with the, what is this even called? Like a latch, like you pull it. That's how you tighten it. Yeah, I will add a close-up for this one for you guys. That is it. Nice, quick, and easy little unboxing. Still wearing my pieces. I'm gonna enjoy them a little longer. But I have the paper here, and I was looking at the prices. It's $122, but since you like signed up as a new member to get their monthly kit, you get $10 off. So if I wanted all three of these pieces, I paid $91. The bracelet retails for $50. The necklace retails for $55, and the earrings retail for $40, which I would not pay that much for all of this, just because like it's very tiny. Like, look how small it is. But you know, some people love their name brand real rock stuff. But this stuff is actually really cute. I like how they sent it to you in a matching set. This matches like all together, so I dig it. But thank you guys for watching. That is it. And if you like what you saw, sign up for Rocksbox. I will drop the code that they gave me down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.